is what does it take for something to be ingrained into a culture such that it is readily accepted into it? And like one example I have is like the red peppers in Korea, like the gochujang. Like a lot of the
Hmm.
spicy stuff is so a part of its identity now, but I was surprised to know that that wasn't the case until about like 50, 60 years ago. And then
Hmm.
suddenly it just becomes so widespread. Or in Japan, for instance, like anime wasn't, there since time immemorial, but then there was a certain phase and then it
Yeah.
really spread and such that we associate it so well. Whereas other things don't necessarily catch on that well. What does it take for something to catch on to a culture such that it becomes mainstream and so widely accepted?
I think it depends very much on how well that part is like exported. So like Korea and Japan are very good exporters of culture, immaterial or material.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas we take a country like China, which is, I would say, pretty bad at exporting their own culture.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's really how well can you reach a broader audience with this? And therefore, I think symbols are very powerful. Like anime is basically a symbol of Japanese culture. And so people associate this symbol with that type of culture.